Hello, Reddit enthusiasts. Today, we're unlocking the premium experience on Reddit with a quick 1-minute tutorial. Whether you're interested in the perks or thinking about upgrading your Reddit journey, this guide will show you how to get Reddit Premium. Let's dive into the world of enhanced Reddit features. Right. Start by opening the Reddit app or website and signing in to your account. Make sure you're using the latest version for the most up-to-date features. By opening the page, find your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. After that, on the new page, look for the Reddit Premium option. Click on it. By opening a new page, you will be offered the option of purchasing for a year, on which you have a discount of 5% or for a month. Explore the available premium plans, choose the one that suits you, and proceed to the payment section. Please enter your payment information to complete the process. And there it is. You've successfully unlocked Reddit Premium, giving you access to tons of exclusive features. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the ultimate Reddit experience.